Hello everyone. In this video we're going to learn about switch cases. Switch cases can be useful when we know the specific cases that can occur. For example, if I want to print a remark according to the pointer that student has. Let's say if the pointer is 10, I want to print excellent. If the pointer is 9, I want to print very good. In such cases, we use switch case. Now to create a switch case, first we will create a variable CGPA. I'll assign it value 10. Now we'll use the switch keyword to create our switch case, and then the variable name CGPA. Open curly braces, and inside this we'll write case 10 and a colon. Press enter. Now this means that when CGPA has value 10, this case will be executed. Now what I write over here, println excellent. So this will be executed only when case is 10. That means CGPA is equal to 10. Now I'll write the next case 9 or 8. I could write any case. fmt.println very good. I can write a case 1000. I'll simply say test over here. Case test. Alright. Now when we use a switch, we have to write a default case. The keyword is default, and we can simply print in that we are inside default. So what does this mean? Now it will check when we write a switch case, it will check the value of this variable. So we switch CGPA. Now we have the value 10, so it will compare it with the cases. The first case is 10, so it checks that whether CGPA has value 10. It finds a match, it executes this code, and then it exits the switch block. It won't check further. Once it gets a match, it won't check further. So if this was 9, first it will check for 10. This is not true, so it will go down. It will check for 9. This is true, it will execute this, and the rest won't be executed. To show you how this works, I'll run this code. Now we should see very good because CGPA is 9, as we can see over here. Now if I make CGPA 1000, we'll see test printed out because it matches the third case. But if I make this 1001, we don't have a case for 1001. So it will go to the default case and it will print inside default, as we can see over here. Now suppose we want to print the same thing for multiple cases. For that we can simply use a comma. Let's say I want to print very good for case 8 also. Now we don't have a pointer 1000, so I'll just make this 7. I'll say good. Now this means that whether you have CGPA is equal to 9 or CGPA is equal to 8, it will print very good. So I'll save this and run this. It will print very good. So you can use multiple cases like that, and we don't have to use a break statement. If we are familiar with other languages, we use a break after a case. We don't have to do it in Go. It is done by default. Once you write a case, when you write another case, by default you have a break before it. So we don't have to explicitly write it. Now this can also be done using an if-else. But switch cases are more appropriate in such cases where we know the specific value, and you can also use switch cases to find the type. That we'll discuss that after we have discussed on interfaces. This will be all for this video. Thank you for watching.